Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Amarok TDI 400 Core Plus dual cab, stock reference number 4657. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a CNEA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. CNEA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left rear has an average tyre. Factory fitted black sports bar with all fittings. Left hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper with park sensor type in black. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate has 3 small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. We have a Safari snorkel with all fittings including the guard and air cleaner box, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window up master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, single zone climate control heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with both audio and cruise control buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.